Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you just search for King Piers LLC, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. We're out here in Independence. We just got the forms removed for our bulkhead wall. We're going to do some... We're going to pretty this up a little bit more, make sure everything's looking completely smooth on the front face of this bulkhead wall as well as the top. We still have a concrete pour we're going to do to fill this in, really make this smooth on top of the walls, or on top of the bulkhead wall to the existing wall here. And then, when we do the final pour of concrete, we're going to fill this in, this void right here where the brick has fallen out, with the same high strength concrete we used for the bulkhead wall. So we are getting a little bit closer now to completion. The next major bit of concrete we have is to, once we get all this cleaned up, we're going to get the floor where it's cracked and broken pulled out of here. We will pour a new concrete floor. Just clean up in place right now, getting the forms pulled off from where we poured the wall on Wednesday. So stay tuned for more updates. Once all that concrete is done, we're going to do some tuck pointing throughout the brick and the existing stone walls here in the basement, and then we're going to use a clear sealant on all the brick walls and on the stone as well, so everything should look really nice and neat once everything is finished. So again, stay tuned for more updates. You can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.